good morning everyone. Please stand up for our prayer to be led to us by Dato Ahmed Sapete. Amen. Okay, class. Did you know the did you know the song If You're Happy and You Know, Clap Your Hands? Okay, sing along with me. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and your face will surely show you. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Okay, you may now take your seat. Okay, let's check the attendance. Okay, in row 1, who is absent today? Okay, none. In row 2, none. In row 3, okay, very good. But we formally start our lesson. What is our classroom standards? Okay, yes, sit properly. Okay, very good. Yes, listen attentively. Okay, very good. Class, always remember that you should follow our classroom standards so that all of you will be very good. Okay, Ahmed, can you read our objective for today? Okay, very good. Our objective for today is that the learner will demonstrate understanding of usual strategies for purposeful literacy learning. So, and number 2 is that the learner uses strategies independently in accomplishing literacy-related tasks. So, class, our topic for today is all about polite expression. For example, thank you and I'm sorry. So, I have here a picture. So, what did you see in the picture? Um, okay, you can see that the other girl is crying while the other girl is saying, I'm sorry. Okay, very good. So, class, another example is that if your mother gave you a gift, what would you say? You will say yes? Okay, you would say thank you. Very good. So, let's, Ahmed, please read what is polite expression. Okay, very good. Polite expression is a way of speaking that is socially correct and no respect to others. So, when we say polite expression, class, it is where you say sorry if you have something if you if you have to something to do that. For example, your friend is upset because you did something that makes her upset, so you should say sorry. So another example is that your friend gave you a gift. So in order him or her to to think that you are that to think that you in order him to think that um you appreciate his gift, you should say thank you. Okay, so today I will group you into two groups. So, but before that, please read the criteria. Create a scenario or role play that represent a polite expression and present it in class. Okay, I will give you 10 minutes to think and practice. Okay, are you done? Okay, very good. Okay, please present it on class. Okay, the group that have a the winner group is the group 2. Okay, class, please get a 1/2 sheet of paper and answer this following. But before that, please read the instruction. Answer and identify the following scenario. Write thank you if the scenario represents giving, and I'm sorry if the scenario represents apologizing. So, you may now start. Okay, who among you got the perfect score? Okay, very good. 4. Okay, very good. So, please pass your paper in front without standing. Okay, class, always remember that if someone gave you something, you should be thankful about it. And also, If you hurt someone, you should be, you should say sorry, even though you don't know if you you make, even though even though he is not responding you, or um for example you say something that typically hurt his or her feelings. So you should you should say sorry about it, so that you two will not fight for it anymore. So before we formally end our class, please get your notebook and copy the assignment. But please read first. Find out and cut out pictures from the magazine or any other resources that represent a polite expression. Okay, class, are you done? Yes, teacher. Okay, very good. So, goodbye, class. Okay, thank you for today.